Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how Ajax works between client and server side and how data is being passed among them. Ajax full meaning is Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Asynchronous with no dependency and multiple tasks could be performed at the same time. XML data is XML extended markup language with the starting tag XML. This XML could be plain text, original XML format or JSON format according to need we will use. JavaScript code is in JavaScript. What happens in traditional way? We submit data from browser and we wait until data received from the browser again and full loaded to the browser. This is the drawback to work with multiple tasks and is not fancy. We need to wait for server response and page being loaded again. Ajax resolves this problem. We don't need to wait for server response with Ajax. Browser is like desktop to the we can do other tasks on browser when Ajax works on backend API, and at the same time we can send multiple requests to the server. We can send requests to the server asynchronously or synchronously. When asynchronous, no dependency among the requests sent. When synchronous, browser wait until previous task has been performed. Ajax perform some state: ready state, open state, send, wait and callback. Now I'm gonna show you with PHP and JavaScript coding. I included here JQuery. I will show you in JQuery. Ajax method type get URL API data. I will send here CMD suppose first task. First name John, last name Smith, address New York. We are passing CMD, first name, last name, address to the API. This is the API. CMD first name, first name, last name, address. Yes, we are passing CMD. We pass first name, last name, address. We will show this again. display is our div. When callback data, we are displaying into display1 div. On click load data. The functionality is in a function. Road, John Smith, New York. We are passing with the method get. Request is a common for get and post. If we do here post, P-O-S-T, post, will not work because we are passing as a get. So we will do as get. That is working. Now I will show you asynchronous and synchronous. We are passing the data as text. We can pass data as array. I can show you in another function. Function, go to second class and display to second class. Case second class will copy and we will do in an array. Array first name, this is the array. We cannot pass the data. If we want to pass the data, we need to do string format. So echo JSON encode our array break. True. We got an object, first name, last name. The bracket is the object. It is starting and end. Then this is object. Code 1, code 2. This is the asynchronous in default. If we do synchronous, asynchronous false, and do sleep, sleep 20 seconds. Load, no, it is not working. I double click on the side. So when synchronous, that means asynchronous false. Browser will wait. If true, synchronous, we can queue it and browser will not wait. Load. That is loading. That will be loaded after 10 seconds. If JSON format, we need to decode JSON.parse. Results object dot first name. Done. If array